If you've ever wondered how to level up your IG game and make a lasting impression, you're in the right place. Today we're delving into the practical tips to transform your profile from meh to magnificent. Stick around and let's boost that social currency together. Imagine having an Instagram profile that not only reflects your personality, but also opens doors to opportunities. Whether you're a content creator or just someone who cares about their online presence, these tips are the game changer you've been waiting for. Ready to unlock the secrets of a standout IG? Let's get started. Let's kick things off with the basics: your username. In the vast sea of Instagram handles, standing out is crucial. Ditch the numbers and characters. It's time to keep it short, sweet, and memorable. Think of your username as a digital calling card, something that effortlessly rolls off the tongue. Whether it's your full name or a clever abbreviation, simplicity is key. No longer should your username resemble relics from 2013. It's time to embrace the modern era of sleek, memorable handles that leave a lasting impression. Your profile picture is the gateway to your Instagram world. It's the first impression users get, and making it count is paramount. Opt for a photo that not only showcases your physical appearance, but also radiates your personality. Get creative with black and white filters, or strategically hide your face for an air of mystery. Consider using characters from vintage comics that resonate with you. It adds an intriguing layer to your profile. Remember, your profile picture is more than just a visual. It's an introduction to the essence of you. Now let's tackle the bio, the brief introduction to your Instagram universe. Short, mysterious, and intriguing should be the mantra. Save the detailed life history for autobiography. Here, it's all about sparking curiosity. Steer clear of overused quotes. They might seem profound, but often end up as cliches. Instead, infuse your bio with quotes that genuinely resonate with you, adding a personal touch. Emojis are your friends. Use them wisely to convey your interests and passions. And don't forget the secret weapon: links in your bio. Whether it's your favorite song, a video, or a playlist, it adds an extra layer to your profile. Highlights, often overlooked, are the unsung heroes of your profile. Quality over quantity is the golden rule here. 2 to 3 well-curated highlights with catchy names and custom cover art elevate your profile aesthetics. Pinterest is a treasure trove for cover art inspiration, but put your creative spin on it. Your highlights should tell a story about you, not some random person on Pinterest. These carefully crafted sections offer users a deeper dive into your multifaceted personality. The heart of your Instagram lies in the content you share. If you're embarking on the creator journey, finding your niche is crucial, be it fashion, travel, lifestyle, or anything that fuels your passion. Striking a balance between niche-specific posts, 70%, and personal glimpses, 30%, provides followers with a holistic view. Authenticity is magnetic. Let your true self shine even in curated content. The research is your ally. Explore successful creators in your niche, analyze what keeps their audience engaged, and adapt it to your unique style. Planning is the secret sauce to an aesthetically pleasing Instagram feed. Plan your content at least 3 to 4 posts in advance to maintain consistency. Tools aplenty are available to help you visualize how your new posts will harmonize with your existing feed. Whether your vibe is dark, light, academic, or moody, maintaining a consistent theme enhances your overall appeal. Quality reigns supreme. Avoid low-res images that can tarnish the aesthetic you're cultivating. It's not about posting every day, it's about crafting and curating content that captivates. In the age of constant connectivity, there's a charm in maintaining a bit of mystery. You don't need to be active on Instagram 24/7. In fact, limiting your time can enhance your allure, allow your presence to be craved, resist the urge to flood your feed. Quality content overrules quantity. A strategic, well-thought-out approach to posting leaves followers wanting more. Remember, it's about making an impact, not saturating your audience. By following these comprehensive steps, your Instagram profile is destined for a significant upgrade. Each part adds to the detailed picture of who you are online. Whether you're a seasoned influencer or just starting out your Instagram journey, These guidelines ensure your profile reflects the best version of you,